This is my response video to Project B Part 2 for Jonathan. The first thing that Jonathan noted on was the definition of creativity and what he learned about creativity that he didn't know. Jonathan learned that creativity also includes entertaining ourselves and others. He always thought it was strictly about ingenuity and artistic skill set. Jonathan also learned that novelty is a requirement of the definition of creativity. Secondly, Jonathan stated that the myth that most surprised him was the myth of the muses. This myth states that certain people have the right genetic code to be creative. This surprised Jonathan because he always thought personality was based on one's level of creativity. He never thought that creativity was something that could be learned or taught. Jonathan found it interesting to hear the presenter talk about the myth of creativity and hopes to continue building his skill set in creativity. Jonathan's two examples of organizations that rely on creativity were the news industry and the software industry. Jonathan noted that in the news industry, there used to be teams of people that set the layout of a paper and then delivered it by hand to subscribers. Today, the process is all automated online, from one computer to the other. News is now available in seconds as opposed to days. In Jonathan's second example, he stated that software companies don't want people who can just write code anymore. Instead, they need people who can both write code and think of new creative ways to solve problems. Jonathan's real-world example of the creative change process involved the car manufacturer's marketing process. He described the difference between how cars used to be marketed and how they're marketed today. Instead of just using a simple car banner and flashing a light on a car in a commercial, car marketers today use different creative features to create a commercial that people are drawn to and will remember. Great job on your video, Jonathan. I enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to watching your other videos this semester.